Hey guys, we received this 2025 Wi-Fi extender for test and try. So this is a signal booster. So say in some blind spot you are not getting the internet, you can use this extender. It will use your existing Wi-Fi signals and then boost it up. It also have the LAN features, and then this is like the US plug and four antennas. Here is a two LAN that you can use in and out, and then also you can use this antennas to position so that you will get it. So there's great internal booster for home and wireless use. Put it in there, use the app, and then the HP signal. One LAN cable is provided with it, and you can also easily stream things in here. So here you can just add in, and then you can just take this thing out. Just directly plug in play and set up with this IP number and things. So it's pretty straightforward and great. We tested a bit with the speed, and this is good for like 300 Mbps speed, and also like have a easy connection thing as well. Overall, a really nice Wi-Fi extender with a good coverage and faster Wi-Fi thing. This is better than the previous one, which is of the 6x faster and 4 high powers, and also can be installed anywhere you want where there is a power outlet, and then can easily be connected with your existing Wi-Fi.